So, dito siya na building sa may Kirina sa may Sutherland. Sa taas lang ito ng 7-Eleven but you need to find that Paragon kasi dito ang daanan going there. And tada! We are here at SBS Professional Korean Salon. Dito siya nagtatrabaho. Actually, hindi ko na siya namukhaan dito na time kasi talagang lumaki siya. I mean, maliit din naman ako before pero iba talaga yung body niya ngayon or yung height niya ngayon. And yes, that's her. And nag-video muna kami ng before. Late ko na actually na-realize nung sinabi na niya mismo sa akin. Actually, late naman talaga ang realization. Huy! Sabi ko, wow, amazing. Nag-champion ka talaga sa buong Davao. By the way, before I forgot, nag-inform na ako kanina na may experience na ako ng allergy sa gel. But that was more than 1 year ago. Actually, naging model ako before for 5 months ata dito sa nail gel art. Like as in sunod-sunod na buwan pero wala namang any reaction. Not until a night before my wedding and closed na yung salon na nagmo-model sa akin, I didn't have a choice but to look for another salon that is open on that day after my duty. And of course, I won't mention it here kasi negosyante din ako. I don't want them to make sira. Oh, by the way, I like my simple and classy nails here. It looks so malinis. And I can tell that Nika is really expert on this. Ang dami niyang ginawa na first time sa mata ko. And nakuha niya yung inspo ko. Actually, there are stones na not available sa kanila pero ginawa niya yung paraan yung ginawa niyang pag-mold earlier. Basta to summarize the nail gel allergy experience before. Nagpa-check up ako sa derman. She's telling me to rest at least 6 months. After 6 months, nagtry ako ulit but it didn't work. So fast forward, naging 1 year plus na and eto na yon. So the ignorant me, of course, feels like it's my first time again.